Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yuti Deepak Sankhe. My roll number is MB2003 and today's our subject is entrepreneurship management. In that today we will see the making a business plan. So further let's start with the first thing. So first thing is about the concept that we will discuss in the overall presentation about the startup. A first thing is a coffee house or a coffee shop or cafe is an establishment that preliminarily serves coffee of a various types. Then many people drink coffee on a daily, often having a multiple cup per day. A coffee shop offers both convenience as per people can quickly get up a cup of coffee rather than making it themselves and a place to enjoy coffee. Then another thing is people who love coffee, food and people are well suited for a working in or owning a people. Then the business involves a plenty of hands-on working, making beverages, and business owners regularly interact with the both employee and customer. The coffee is one concept that enjoy many people. So the concept about opening a coffee cafe shop is very helpful for things. So next we will see the logo and the timing and the address about this concept. That is the shop details. First thing is I want to start the coffee spot cafe in my local areas, and shop details is address 304 Ewing near plot number N198 MIDC Boisar West, and coffee spot cafe time is 9 AM to 10 PM all day, special offer for weekends. And special one thing is I am offering to visit on a first thing we will give 20% off on a first order or a first visit in the cafe. Then next thing is executive summary for the startup. My mission is to will provide a friendly, comfortable atmosphere where the customer can receive quality food, drinks and service at a reasonable price. My cafe will offer a variety of choices to the customer: cappuccino, latte, espresso, smoothie, regular coffee, soft drink and tea of all sorts will be available. Then the cafe will also serve deliciously breakfast sandwiches with the refresher ingredients, muffins, roll, coffee cake and other tasty treats. I have a 500 square feet cafe with best environment in Boisar MIDC. Coffee Spot Cafe will be open from 9 AM to 10 PM all days, and special offer for the weekends I will give. Then the coffee is one thing that refresh everyone's mind. So I am starting my startup with a coffee shop in a Boisar. Then the goal and strategies about the startup is short-term goal is use the quality of our service and advertising to soon become a well-known throughout in a Boisar, so that it will help us to develop our business. Then long-term goal is to expand the business to other location and include catering also. Then third thing is the strategies. Work hard to have the best tasting coffee treat and service in town and surrounding areas to develop our things. Then we will have some mission about this cafe coffee. Our cafe will be an inspiring one, combining an electric atmosphere with excellent and interesting food. Our main part and mission is have a great serving, efficient and superior customer service. Then employee welfare, participation and training are equally important to us to succeed the startup with the coffee. And best thing is to give a customer satisfying experience in this atmosphere. Then next in a SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means we will know that strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threats. Each and every concept there are SWOT, some strengths, some weaknesses, some opportunities and threats. I think in the strength, reasonable price, wide variety of coffee and drinks, a lot of homemade drinks, that is the one strength of this cafe coffee. Then weaknesses, turn down in the economy, startup cost and new business, and there is a no reputation for us to starting up because all the other already shops are there available. That are the weaknesses that can affect our shop. Then opportunities, job opportunity for the many unemployed to make something big from this. And threat is other established local restaurant. That are the threats we will face while giving the services in the cafe. Then legal structure. My business will run as a sole proprietor. I am the only sole proprietor regarding the shop. then all debt and liability of this business will be my responsibility because I am only a sole proprietor in this. Then I will pay personal income taxes on the profit made. This will make accounting is more simpler to handle the all things. Then with having a sole proprietorship, I can also deducted my business losses to extent of my total income that I may have all my sources around with us. Then marketing analysis. Marketing analysis is very important thing to start anything new. So there is a three thing, that is the target market, then competition and market trends. Target audience or a target market is a very important concept to succeed our business. First thing is my target will be to anyone who enjoys the coffee. That is the main part and main concept of this, but I will mainly target people age around 18 and older than that, because they mostly enjoy the coffee and they are favor in the coffee. Then both male and female, and who are working classes, because it is situated in a Boisar MIDC area, so working people are mostly comfortable with it, and coffee is a stress buster for them, so I mainly targeted them. Then competition is my major competition will be the local shop, which is located already near my location. One of the strength of shop is they are already well established and I am not. I want to establish there, and they are already made their name with their products and they have quite good reputation in there, so I have the competition of local shops. Then third thing is a market trend. Coffee is a drink of choice for many people across the world. Every morning of people rely on morning fix to get going for the day is a coffee. So I think coffee is the best thing to start up anything. Then market strategy. I will do as much as I can do my business name throughout Boisar. I plan to make flyers to put on a cars or a rickshaw or a auto that may my business name, logo and address on them. It will also list the day of opening, and it will state that if you bring flyer in through the first week of opening, you can get 20% off any drink on any size. Then I will also have 2 coupons in the local newspaper for 20% off on any purchase. I will have a reasonable price, but they will not high too or too low. Then I have one special offer for each and everyone who will visit first time. They will get a 20% off or any bill or any order or anything. Then another thing is products, what I am offering to them, that is the drinks, other drinks, bakery, smoothies and all the many things. In an espresso drink, we will specially give them latte, mocha, cappuccino, cold coffee and dark coffee. That are the main essential part of the products. Then other drink also I am offering to other which whosoever are not comfortable with the coffee or any other thing. In that, hot chocolate, hot tea, green tea, and special for the kids hot chocolate. Kids hot chocolate is especially offering for the children. Then some juice kinds of. And in a bakery product, I will offer them muffins, rolls, sandwiches, brownie and cookies and cakes. And in a smoothie, fruit, blend, ice, coffee drink and iced tea. That all are the product I will offer them for starting time. Then we will explore the more things as per the customer requirement and as per the report or as per the analysis of a customer requirements. Then there are something key to succeed our business, that is unique and innovative and contemporary. Then product quality is main important for this, because product quality is always implemented to customers mindset to come in a shop again. Then employee retention focus, then cost control, and the menu will target to varied people so that they are comfortable with the atmosphere and comfortable with the product also. And we will give them one feedback form if they want something new from us or something improvement we will can do for our betterments. Thank you. I hope you like the presentation and you like the ideas of a startup to the cafe coffee. I hope you will understand and you will like. Thank you.